Hello, welcome to a new video. This video we are study to spin button. Spin button. This spin button icon. You go look the mouse on spin button. Please spin button. This button check click. Spin button change. Okay. Spin button change. M S G box. We are spin button valve. Okay. We are check to what is the message. Okay. See message checking spin button. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay. Now settings. Okay. Spain button. Valve minimum. Spain button. Okay. Now check in Spain button. Minimum. Minimum. Minimum 5. Okay. Spain button. Maximum. So 10. We have to check about this work. Okay. 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. No action. 10 is a maximum. 10. Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. Now 5 minimum. Now we are check to wow. Now go to a table. This table is a name is a column. Write this column. Okay. This fill into 76 data name. Okay. We have to settings this. Okay. Sheet 1. First sheet 1. Maximum. This is maximum. Sheet 1. Range. Range. Yeah. End. End row. This rows not row. Okay. We have to this what is this copy out to this rend. Okay. This sum. No. The sheet how to message come. Okay. Now here some data. XLP. X look in. X look up. Up here. Data field looking up. This up. Okay. How to data looking. Okay. 76. Okay. 76 data. Okay. How much data field in look is 76. Okay. Now this is maximum 76. Okay. This is minimum. This heading one heading. So is minimum 2 added. Okay. 2. Now we are setting some data. Okay. We are go to here. One text box. Second text box 2. Okay. A label name label label price. Okay, now name and price. Let's go some big font. Okay, no problem. Font some time is on. Okay, now check into now test one name, test two rate. Okay, sheet one this AB. You should now change it to ABC, change it to export account option. Okay, formula asks you okay this side. Okay, now okay one okay two change, no problem. Now we spin in text one. Mm, time copy text one test equal sheet one cell. This cell two one. Okay. Next two sheet two. Now we checking out what is this come. Okay. Okay. Now check. Okay. Okay. This one two one two two. Okay. Price name. Okay. Symbol two. Okay. Now we to dim I as integer. In the long, no problem. Long. Any I am maximum value. Okay, value. This I. This I. Okay. This only this code only. Okay. This is a very easy. This code only. Now, okay. PVC pipe. Very easy. Now time is skipped. One label and label 3. Okay. Copy label caption I. Okay. This okay. This is finished class. Okay. Now 1 2. Okay. 12 PVC pipe. Okay. Very easy this class. Please see this class your. Okay. Please like this my class. Please subscribe and share your friends and like and any comment. No problem. Okay. 76. Okay. 76. Okay. This 76. Stop. Okay. This video wind up. Thank you. Watch my video. Okay.